Did you know that there's a great advantage in not knowing it all? For many people, when it comes to witnessing, they're afraid because they don't know it all. They're afraid that somebody's going to ask them a question that they don't know the answer to. I just want to tell you real quick that that actually is an advantage. When you don't know the answer to a question, there's at least two great advantages in that. First of all, you say to them, if I did some research and found out the answer to that question, would you be willing to meet again and have me chat with you about what I discover? If the person answers no, then it shows that really they were just asking questions to distract you. They're not really interested yet. But if they say, yes, I'd like to, now you've discovered their level of interest. And so that's a great advantage. You're finding out who's really interested and who's just asking questions to distract you. But the great thing about when they say, yes, I'd like to chat about it if you do some research, is that now you have an appointment to meet with them again, to talk with them about things from the Bible again. You know, us pastors, we don't have that advantage because when they ask us a question, often from our learning, we have what we think is an answer and we give it. And then they ask another question and we give that and the conversation ends and that's it. But we don't have that opportunity to meet with them again because we're too smart. We know it all. You have a distinct advantage by not knowing it all because it will open doors for you to continue the conversation with that friend of yours at a future date. Isn't that great?